my name's Ryan and welcome to Tool Times Friday. Today I'm here to talk to you about our 30 layer Detroit vacuum, which is only exclusive to Total Tools. It comes with a 1.8 meter flexible hose and a 4 meter power cord, which means essentially you can take it 6 meters from the wall. It also has 1200 watts of power. It's a wet and dry vacuum and it has a waterproof switch. We don't recommend this, but in Victoria one of our stores got flooded and this vacuum sucked it dry. Alright, thanks for watching Tool Times Friday. I'm Ryan, see you later.